In this video, we are going to find out if a given string is palindrome or not. Okay, here we go. Like we have a string Malayalam, a Kerala language, okay, called Malayalam. And next step, we are calling a method is palindrome. This is a method to check. It will check our string is palindrome or not, and it must have to return a boolean data type. Here we are defining boolean result for a result. Okay, after that we will display here result a string, whatever we are string Malayalam is a palindrome, and result will be true or false whatever we get. So here when we come at this line, we call this method and we go for this method, and here we are defining this method, and method must be static. Public static must be static. It may be public or private or default, but it should have static, and boolean must be there. So it is this method is returning, this method have to return something in the boolean form, true and false. So here is return type is boolean, and we are passing a string str. Here we are passing str, this str comes here. Okay, and here we need 3-4 things we have to do. First, we define a variable called length. Here we store string length in a length, and this is our last position of character. Last position of character in a string will be length minus 1, because a string start counting from 0, not from 1. If a string length is suppose 9, its last position will be 8, 0 to 8. And here we have one more variable called mid. This is midpoint of our string. So midpoint will be last position divided by 2. Whatever we get, it's a mid position of our string, and it will use in further. I will show you. And a string, here we convert our string to uppercase, because if we some string contain capital letter and alphabetical letter, and computer doesn't know there computer in computer system, capital A and small a have different ASCII code, and so they are not equal. So if we comparing them to, so a string must be either in uppercase either in lowercase to be compared. Okay, and this is our for loop. Here for loop is going from starting from I equal to 0, I less than mid position whatever variable we get, and I plus plus. And here is condition. How it will check, I will tell you. Here is if condition. If a string character at position starting position will 0 is not equal to last position minus 1, it means I equal to 0 means last position not equal to, then return false. This means this is not a palindrome. Okay, here we are comparing. It will compare first m to last m, then this position to this position, then this position to this position, then this position to, okay, this position. In this way it will compare. If inside for loop, if all character are equal and doesn't found any one is not equal, then it will return this true. If anyone is not equal to compare with other character, whatever you are comparing, then it will return false. Okay, here we have Malayalam. Okay, check it. So we are running it, run this code, and here is Mariam is a palindrome and it will true. Here is whatever result will be true. Okay, we are checking for nothing. For any other word, put here R. Okay, control S, save, and again run this program. Here we get false. This is not a palindrome. Okay, it looks cool. If you doesn't, one more time I am explaining how it compare. Here is we have new word R. it will compare m and r. If it not equal to I equal to 0, 0 position is m and last position is our r, it will compare m and r. If not equal, it's sudden here it return false and whole method will close, and loop doesn't execute after this. Okay, and here will be, it will display our final result. Hope you got it.